This 2022 Highland Ridge Mesa Ridge 322 RLS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Store. This new Highland Ridge is 37 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Graystone interior, sleeps 4, air conditioning, skylight, spare tire kit, self-contained, oven, LP detector, slideout, microwave, smoke detector, water heater, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Highland Ridge Mesa Ridge 322 RLS is 9,795 pounds. This 2022 Highland Ridge Mesa Ridge 322 RLS. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV Store, visit RVUSA.com.